Hi, this is Shay of ShayDesignStudio.com, and today I'm coming to you with a quick gradients using acrylic paint. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I went ahead and added blue paint onto the canvas paper. With the remaining blue on the paintbrush, I'm going to go ahead and dip it into the white paint and start blending from right to left. As you can see, the lighter blue is blending in with the blue paint for a smooth transition of color. I'm going to add a little bit more white paint to the brush just so you can see the contrast better. Now I am going to use a different color to show another smooth transition of colors. I am going to start with the yellow paint with some of the blue still on the brush and blend on the upper left hand corner of the paper. As you can see, I am making a yellowish greenish color and I am blending it into the blue paint to blend. So just a side note, it's best to have your paint still be somewhat wet for better blending. This is more specifically for acrylic paints, but just a quick side note, it just blends better. And that's just how easy it is to blend colors into one another to make a gradient. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time for another art tip. Bye!